done such a thing to someone's daughter? Eh? That girl was badly injured. And if nothing is done to her, she will get blind.
Tell me how this thing happens to be your business. In not less than 365 words, can you elaborate, expatiate, and coagulate how this thing take be your business now? Hey. Eh, Oma? See, let me tell you, Oma, Mala, that you are in my compound. If you don't leave this place right now, what happened to Tochi in one eye? What happened to your two eyes? You get the guy from here.
Why not here? Try it.
Huh?
I challenge you. Try it. Mba, just when you from I will show you crazy. Are you okay? Huh? Look at you. A stupid man that goes around looking for nonsense that he's going to collect from a lady. You are not a man.
Mama, calm down now. I'm here. I'm still existing. Eh? Calm down now. See, brother, I've told you what he did. What he did to that girl. It's very bad though. Eh? It's very, very bad.
Yeah. Ajulo.
Brother.
It is time for you to draw now. Ajulo, it's time for you to draw now. If you know this lady, you might be Italian. Yeah? If you know this lady, tell her to leave this place right now. Before the fire in me begins to burn. Before the fire in me begins to burn.
Oh no, Chia, I say change it for me. No, I
will change it for you.
Change it for me. Can't go seeking them when woman, when women. Change it for me. Yeah. Or even try it with any member of my family. Nah, you ain't get make it. You will regret it. Yeah. Look at you. Is it doing okay?
Yeah. Mama, calm down.
I will.
Hey! Brother, calm down. You, Oma, calm down now. Calm down. Brother. Brother. I need to come here. Me gina chimo onzo. Gina chim.
Wait. Did you just want to fight me in my own compound?
Olochie, see, Ajolo, don't mind him. Olochie, what is coming for you is very big. But let me try you. Any day you will try this nonsense with any member of my family, Olochie. If you don't tantaga, mbepogia, negin on it. Nonsense.
So you have gotten to the extent of targeting my distance?
Yes.
It has gotten to the extent of going to my distance. So is that why is everybody in this village planning against me? Why are they planning against me? Because of just blow I gave to Tochi, ordinary Nkubanya, and they're going against me in this village. Why is everybody entering this compound?
Brother?
If you people want to make me the king of this village, you give me the kingship. I will wear the crown. What is all this?
See the way you're just scared. See, now woman though. See the way you're just. You cannot even do anything. See you. The man in you just left.
Oh man, you will go, but you will not come back. You will not. Next time, try it.
She was here, you didn't do anything. Now she left. You are saying that you will do this. You will not do anything. Can
you imagine? So this, why is everybody attacking me for no reason?
Everybody attacking.
Why is everybody attacking me?
You the character. Fighter.
See, I told you, I don't know why you're opening that gate. I don't know why you're opening that gate for people to be entering my compound anyhow, as if I'm the king. Yeah. You see this summer? I know I'm keeping quiet too. So that you now say, hey, I'm fighting woman. I kept quiet. Now she has insulted me, you did not do anything. You did not say anything.
But now what do you want me to say?
There is nothing inside that girl.
But you're scared.
Ordinary akpagari, there is nothing inside her.
100 kg.
You see this girl and Igwe, all of them will pay school fees for you. But since you are not supporting them to insult your own brother.
No,
you're supporting them.
No, you never reach. No, they use my school.
You will see.
Brother, no, they use my school.
You will see. See that since they will be fighting your brother, you did not even do any shaking. You were here and she was insulting me. Mama will pay for your school fees.
Brother, no, that he never reach. See, brother, I don't tell you. See, the day where you go put yourself for trouble for you, I will leave you home.
Fly, yo. Fly like Peter. Fly. You better fly and leave me. Because by the time I will leave you, even your shadow will leave you too. When the school resume, no,
brother.
Mama and all of them will give you transport money to go back to school.
Brother, I know they're chatting me with my school fees.
I will slap you.
Brother, I know they're chatting me with my school fees. Brother.
Tochi, what
What happened to you?
My Lolo, Onoche, the son of late Oboako, did this to her. We are just coming back from the hospital. I'm afraid she might lose this eye.
Come. Your Highness. Paul? Yeah. What did you do to him? No. Sorry, my dear. What did you do to him? I did not do anything to him, Your Highness. He was asking me out. It's okay. He said he likes me. I said, okay, then I'll think about it. He now started buying me gifts and giving me money. Today I was going home, he now met me. He now said I should give him all the money that he has given to me and the whole gift. What? That I did not want to do with him. I told him, I don't understand what you are talking about. I thought I said you should wait, I will think about it. He said no, that he did not want again, that I should give him all the money. I said I did not have the money and that he should follow me.
Okay, sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, my dear, sorry.
He should follow me to the house so that I will give him the money. He said no. He now started beating me. He now hits me on my eye.
It's okay. So sorry, my dear. I can see that idiot is mad. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go to his house and bring that fool here immediately. Fast! He will soon be here.
Look for that anyway and beat her blue black. See, if it's me, that girl will not leave my compound.
I should beat her.
Yes, now.
When you hear what I did to Tochi, you blame me, you blame Kwamo. Now you are telling me to go and beat another person.
I did not blame you. I did not blame you now. I only said that you did not try. Doesn't mean I'm not supporting you. People are there, so I have to blame you small. But you see that one? If it's me, I will kill that girl. How can she come to your compound and you are still talking? Look for her.
I will look for her.
Yes,
you see that girl? I will deal with that girl. But how far? Did you hear anything about Coach Itochi?
I never hear anything.
Okay. See the guys are coming. Are you sure they are not coming for Onoche?
No. Onoche! You have to come with us to the palace now.
Are
you police?
Can you imagine?
Yeah?
Everyone stay out of this. If you refuse to come with us, we are going to cut you.
Onoche!
Do something!
Do something like what?
Onoche! Don't make me drag you like a thief!
Come here with me.
No, let us go. Be going, I'm with you.
Are you with us?
I am with you. Be going. Just go.
Come with me now.
Hey! Don't worry, go. Just go there. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Come now.
I am coming. Let me go and tell my mama first. I'm coming. Go now. Go. Stop studying with them. Hey! Dikeh. Woo!
You mean this?
Yes, Papa. Papa, you needed to see the way the prince carried her into the palace. But I don't know why they are stopping her from investigating about the king's death.
In that case, I will go to the palace to see her and talk to her myself. But remember, no one should know about this.
Okay, Papa. Papa, let me run back to the palace.
Yeah.
I will see you when you come.
I'll be there shortly. Lolo, I am on your case. I must find out why you are doing this and who you are doing it with.
How dare you? How dare you? Have you gone nuts? So after fighting my son, I have been looking for you. You still have the guts to fight this girl to the extent of giving her such injury. Have you gone mad? Eh?
Your Highness. She started it.
Why not? It's a lie.
Okay, Fugo.
You are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed that you are fighting with a girl. Onoche, Don't worry, after this time, I will see if you have the guts. If you ever lay your filthy hand on any girl in this community again. This is my judgment. Henceforth, Tochi will be living in your house till she gets well. Yes. Everything about her now is on you. Her hospital bill, her care, you'll be feeding her and make sure that she's alright. See, I would not want to hear that you compel her into doing any house chores. She's only in your house to eat and you'll be taking care of her. Wash her clothes. Take her for treatment. She is now under your care. Everything about her. And I would not want to hear that you compel her into doing any house chores. You'll be the one taking her to the hospital. Hospital bill is on you. You will feed her, bathe her, wash her clothes and everything.
Yeah, Ernest, I'll not be trekking if he's taking me to hospital. He'll be calling cab for me.
Good. Yes, whenever you're taking her for treatment, you make sure you call a cab. She will not trek to the hospital. Do I make myself clear? And my guards will be coming to monitor if you are taking good care of her. If you dare me, you will regret ever seeing me as your lolo in this community. Fool.
Okay, honest, but
shut up your mouth. You don't have to say anything. Ichie, please, it's okay. Calm down. And we'll take it up from here, okay? Guards, take her to his house. Make sure you take this girl to Onoche's house. Onoche, if I ever find out that you are not taking good care of this girl, after dealing with you, you will ever regret being member of this kingdom. Get out!
thank you very much, Lord.
Get out of my hand. Get out of my hand.
Your house.
Olona no me na what can.
Get out of my hair, Daniel.
Olona no me. Oh my God, that's no problem. Olona no me.
It's dangerous. It's very dangerous.
Omo, your brother did not try at all. If he had injured that stupid prince, I wouldn't be complaining. He deserved to be injured.
Don't mind him. I kept on telling him that this thing he's doing is not nice though. But he wouldn't listen. He only does what Ezenwa tells him. If Ezenwa tells him now, put your hand inside the fire, he put his hand inside the fire. I'm telling you the truth. That my brother, he don't listen.
He should just pray that that girl does not go blind. Because if she goes blind, he will marry a blind girl. Yes.
He will marry her now. Doesn't have a choice. He doesn't have any other choice now. He will marry her. Me, I've told him, if he gets himself into trouble, me, I will leave him and go back to school. Me, I will run. I will not trek. I will pack my thing. I will run.
Calm down. Where are you running to? But school have not resumed now. See, honestly, I'm broke. Can you lend me some money?
I take God beg you, no start. No, just start. No start. Which one be? Can I lend you? Where you see the money? Where I want see money for this village? Me and you know say no rich guy for this village. All of them they broke as niggas. They tell me say where I want see money borrow give you. Where I want see.
Not true, sha.
My brother, what they collect more from? You don't see him now. You don't see him character. I don't bring that in back character. No way to collect money.
True, no guy, no reasonable guy did this town. But the problem now beside broke.
You know broke past me. Me, I'm broke.
No, I am broker than you.
I'm the brokest. Let me broke past you.
Hired men and selfish elders. Why? Oginike Meregi. Why? What have we done wrong?
You're welcome. Thank you, my princess. My daughter told me that you wanted to see me.
Yes. Ichie, I would like to discuss certain things with you. And it's about things regarding the palace. I was thinking...
Wait. What is going on here? Did you choose here? What are you doing outside? And what are you discussing with my daughter?
Nothing, Your Majesty. I just came.
Came in here and you did not come inside. Ruth, you are looking for my trouble. I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in a hurry. And you are choosing. Why would you come into this palace? Instead of you to come inside, you decided to stay outside and gossip with my daughter.
Mom, I have a feeling that you are trying to hide something from me. What is the problem? I just want to discuss with Ichie. What is it?
Ichie! Shut up! Don't ask me silly question. I should be asking you. Are you expecting anybody? Cheer lady.
Odogu want to go down. Onyaneche, Odogu want to go down. Prince Clinton, Odogu want to go down. Ebua change go, Odogu want to go down. Waka waka,
Oh my goodness!
waka no go down for me. Odogu abakanu.
Who are you? You look good too.
Oh, welcome. It's good to be home. I saw mother just now.
Yes, she just stepped in.
My daughter, you've heard what the queen said. You will remain here. Let me go home and bring your luggage.
Papa, no. Papa, no. Papa, stop saying that. Papa, I will stay here. Please, I beg you, I will stay here. Papa, hunger will kill me here. I'm your child.
Daughter, hunger will not kill you. One, the queen has decreed so. Secondly, you must remain here. Let me go and get the things. Obey, so that I can get him.
Papa, no. It's as if you are selling your only child. Papa, you selling me.
I am not selling you, my daughter.
Then let me go with you, please.
You won't go. Obedience is better than police sacrifice. Amen.
Ichie, you may not go and bring her things.
Thank you very much.
She will not go against the queen's commandments.
Thank you very much.
And as for you, Onochie, I know you not like the way we handle you.
You heard as my colleague have said. So be it.
We will go, but we'll still come back again to see how things are going. Huh?
People should tell the queen to come. I'm not staying here. I'll tell the queen. Tell the queen I'm not staying here. Tell the queen I cannot stay here.
I will not say anything yet. Nobody cries here. This place is not mortuary or burial ground.
What is going on here? Brother, what is going on?
Please, everybody should maintain peace and tranquility.
What happened? Touch it.
Don't even try it.
Why are you here? I say don't try it. Why are you here?
Don't even mention my name. Don't even ask me anything. Just ask your brother. As your brother is here. Don't ask me. I'm here, Kwania. Okay, I'm here now.
Brother, she said I should come and ask you. What happened?
She said you should come and ask me, and you came to ask me.
Now
I command you back. Go back to her and ask her too. Or go and ask Lolo.
Mama, there is trouble. There's a very big problem right now.
Problem?
Sand is about to enter my garri.
No, what problem? What is going on?
The prince is back.
The prince?
Clinton, he is back.
What?
He just came back now.
Hey! This is so nice. This is so nice. Prince Clinton is back.
I don't understand. Oh, this is so nice. Clinton is back. I don't understand. Don't you know what is at stake here? You're saying he's nice. Eh?
You know what is going on?
Well, he's cute, oh. He must be in money, yes. I'm not disputing that fact, but my problem here right now is that he is back in town. Why will he come back now?
Wait. What is really going on? Why are you not happy that the prince is back? Come on, just explain for me.
Mama,
I'll see you later. Eh? Maybe later I come to my house. I need to go and see my father because I got people to kita. I will come to your house later and them. Aya.
My prince, you have to be strong. We did not have any means to reach you. Remember, it was only your father that had your number. Even Lolo here said she doesn't have your number.
I don't have it.
My father. My king. The lion himself. This wasn't our agreement. I had so much plan. I mean, so many plans for us. Now you're gone. Why?
That is how I see it. But we are still on it. We must apprehend the killers.
Exactly. I am already working on it, okay? Please, just be strong. Be a man.
It's alright. We'll be the one to bury our king and not the other way around. So it's okay, Ichie. I am fine. We'll talk about other things later.
It's okay.
So fast.
That's not true. That's not true.
You see, that's not true.
It's not true.
Papa, it's true. It's true. I saw him with my two kolo eyes. You needed to see how he looks. Papa, he looks so rich. I'm telling you.
Sister, this is good news. Oh. This is good news.
What's up again?
See. Wait, I'm coming. Let me go inside and dress. Let me go and see him.
Okay, Papa. Eh? My problem right now is, why would he come back now? Eh? Why would he come back now?
Well, why are you not happy, sister?
Are you dumb?
Ha! Oh.
Eh? For the fact that he's back, Akachi will not be crowned the king anymore. Eh? What do I have left? No, what do I have left?
Sister, it's true. But you still marry the prince now. Akachi,
I don't want to marry a prince. I want to get married to a king. Don't you get it? For the making easy. Papa should do and let me know what's going on. But you see that Clinton, eh? He will never have that throne. He will never have it. Okay, forward there. Eh?
Look at you. Wow, you look amazing. I mean, how is America?
America is good. Awesome. God's own country.
I know, right?
Look at you too, baby sis. You're looking amazing. Gorgeous, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you.
Flawless skin. Ichie, how are you and the family?
Oh, we are fine, my prince.
Good.
Look at you, small boy of yesterday. You've grown so big.
Ichie, I'm no longer a small boy. I mean, I've been spending Christmas for decades now. But it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I love your feet. It scares me with my
what's going on here? You all don't drink bottled water? I mean, this is palace. There should be bottled water here.
We're out of bottled water at the moment. But okay, yes, go up to my room and get some money and buy it. I'm sorry, man.
It's okay. It's fine. Please, remember, I love.
Mom, what are we going to do now? Talk to me.
I don't know. I don't even know. I think we'll have to wait for the elders. Why would that boy return at this point, at this time? Without notice or anything?
Well, something has to be done. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to take him out of the way. Whatever it takes.
Have you seen it? If your father had died since, this will not happen. Because I will not allow anybody to pick that crown from you. Nobody will take that throne away from you. It will be over my dead body. But one thing is this. You have to be very careful with your sister.
I'm not an idiot.
Tochi, you have to forgive my brother. It's just an accident. What did you just say? An accident. Don't worry. Just don't worry. On a very good day, someone will do this to you. Then you will not call it an accident.
Tochi, stop now. It hasn't gotten to that.
No, it has gotten to Rito. The women supporting women.
She is right. She is right. It was just an accident. It was just an accident because you know me. You know me. Tell her to leave. Let her leave you.
Me leave. See, Onoche, you think you are stubborn. Don't worry. I will show you that I am more stubborn. You are not stubborn. I will show you. Don't worry. See, you will take care of me. You will take care of me. What did I say? You will take care of me. Anything I say you should do, you must do it. If not, I will go and tell the queen. And you know what the queen can do, Adi? You know what the queen gave me? Don't worry.
Brother, you don't have to argue with her. You don't have to exchange words with her. She's the one feeling the pain. You just have to feel sorry for her.
Feel sorry for who? The person that will keep her mouth shut? Or the one that her mouth will be running like tap water? You say I should feel sorry for? Then why should I feel? See, you know me, oh. You know me. You know me.
I know you.
All that one, all that boom, 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 I did. Tell her I am very stubborn, oh. And that happened to me. You can never do pomo with my auntie. Okay, now, tell her now. Because by the time it will start, there will be war and catastrophe.
Don't worry. Don't worry. You've jammed your type. Okay, the stubborn, stubborn jugisi, Don't worry. Ijam go your type. Because my father is coming back with my clothes and some of them are dirty. So they are ready for you to wash everything there. Even my undies, you will wash everything. Ijamugo type, okay?
How do you expect a grown-up man to wash your undies?
How do you expect a grown-up man to beat me? What are you saying?
So, undies, also trying to hear Queen Igwaragi.
So, tell me, which eye am I going to use and wash it? Or do you want to wash it?
I'm not washing it.
Oh, yeah, nah. So leave him to go and do everything now.
Hey. Talk something.
What do you want me to say again? Brother, see,
Don't worry. See, let me tell you. The queen said he will cook my food. Like he will serve me anything I want to eat. Then he will wash my dirty clothes. Then he will take care of me. Then he will pay all my hospital bills. So whenever I don't feel like trekking, if we are going to hospital, then he will call cab. And if he said he don't want to call cab, then he will carry me at his back. And failure to do so, I should come and tell her. So I don't even need to tell you what the queen will do. I don't need to tell you at all. Achona villager.
Oboranye. Also, yes, brother. Ibago put one chance.
Which one chance?
Ibago moto one chance.
I will refuse to enter the one chance. Yes, I'll be on top of the car.
You cannot be on top.
I'll be on top of the car and push the car away. Which kind of one chance? Tell her.
Ibago.
Is that what you are saying? Is that your final answer?
Yes, now that's my final answer.
Me and you will have entered it.
You and who?
Me and you.
Was I there when we beat
Me and you will have entered it. You see, you are in trouble.
I don't understand.
You will enter trouble. For not advising me well.
Brother!
So that is it. I don't have anyone's contact here that will communicate with you people about my arrival. So for now, I'm done with everything I'm doing in America. I'm back for good.
You're truly welcome, my prince.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Prince Clinton. I am aware that you are not enlightened that I am the Ono, the second in command to your late father.
Oh, I'm just knowing. Nice to meet you.
By the way, where is your brother Akachi? He's supposed to be at this meeting.
Yes. I'll go and call him.
Okay. That's good.
Oh no. why don't you go ahead and talk to our prince, the future king?
Okay, why do you always cause trouble? Eh?
Well, I don't mind him. As I was saying, before I was really interrupted by the palace secretary, we have heard all he said. We will discuss about it together and know the next thing to do.
It's okay. Fine. I heard my father was killed in the bush. Is that true?
Same thing we had. But don't worry, we are on it. You know you come from a long journey, so you need to rest. Sleep. Then we will talk that with you later.
Yeah, oh no, you are right. You need to rest. Do you mean it, Chief?
Yes, so she's there with them. I'm just coming back from there after giving her bag.
That serves Onochie right. Let me see if he is not going to take care of her now. Kamfuzia?
That boy will suffer.
He will! Do you know that I went to his house and he dared me? Hey! What I would have done to him. He will regret it for the rest of his life. Useless guy. Do you know he did this thing because Tochi don't have anybody to fight for her? Nyadeba, no problem.
Hey, can you imagine this? If her late brother was alive, can Onochie do that to her?
Hi.
Eh?
Ichie, Ebena. Ebena, Aqua, don't worry. Just calm down. Leave everything to me. Tochi is like a junior sister to me. So just leave everything to me. I will go there often to check on her. And if Onochie tries any nonsense, I will gather the village boys and they will beat him for me.
Good. Thank you very much, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Appreciate.
You're welcome, Ichie.
Let me head home because I'm tired. I need rest.
So Batero, just go home and rest. I will come and check on you later.
Listen and listen real good. I'm warning you for the last time. Be careful. Be careful around this vicinity, else what will befall you will be greater than you.
Mom, are you hearing what he's saying and you're saying nothing?
Do not call me. Ruth, you don't really know your mother. That is why you are misbehaving. Let me sound this. Let me make it very clear to you. No man born of a woman will ever collect that crown from my son. Not even that your useless step-brother. So if you feel you can mess around with him, misbehave with him, go ahead and do that. But don't worry. Wait for what will befall both of you.
Can the both of you just stop already? Can you stop? You know me, I will not rest until I find out what killed my father. And as for the throne, it belongs to Clinton. I will not be the one to fight for Clinton, but I will never stop him from doing what is right.
And if you are not careful, what killed your father will kill you. You are too young to be looking for what killed your father.
Mom, did you hear what your son said? Your son is threatening me.
Ruth, I will give you the last chance. If you think you can mess with me or to challenge me, if you think you come here and spoil things for me, my fire will consume you.
Ruth, get out!
You are entrusting the safety of the land to hired men and selfish elders.
Where are you? I'm hungry.
What have we done wrong? You are entrusting the safety.
Sorry, take. What is this? Indomie. Yes, Indomie. That's the only food we have in this house. We don't have any other food here. So you have to eat it. I'm sorry, I cannot eat it. Eh? I cannot eat this Indomie. It's not possible. Just call your brother for me. I don't understand. What do you mean by I cannot eat this indomie? So what do you want to eat?
I said I cannot eat this indomie. Call your brother for me. I want to eat rice and turkey.
You want to eat rice and turkey?
See, I'm going to report you people. See, I'm going to go to the palace now and I'll report you people. You people know what the queen can do, Abi. You people know what the queen will do.
You want to eat rice and turkey? Do you used to eat that kind of food in your father's house? Or have you ever eaten such food in your father's house?
Hey.
With the other rice and turkey?
See, I don't have anything to say to you. Just call your brother for me. Okay? Because if you do not call your brother for me, I will shout too. Like I will shout, everybody will hear my voice.
Hey. See, better stop this your drama. I don't like this, you know. I'm not the one that hit you. Was I there when he blinded your eye?
See, let me tell you. Please, what I need is good food. You know I'm taking medicine and the medicine I'm taking is very, very strong. So please, you should just give me good food so that I will eat and take my medicine.
Don't worry, let me call him so that you both can sort your issues out.
Call him.
It's none of my business. But don't come here and start selecting food for me. If not, that your eye will blind.
It's your own that will blind. It's your own eye that will blind.
No, it's like this thing is not moving at all. The boy came back well prepared. Don't you hear him? He said he's going to demolish the palace and build new one for himself. The boy also threatened that he's going to fish out those that killed his late father, the king. Oh no, I don't want to die.
Do you know my problem with you? You always claim to have minds. But you don't have one. Iwerobi. Iwerobi. They will come in thousands, but do not panic. I am the brain behind everything. I am the master planner. This is not a good place for us to talk. Let us go to another place. I have told Lolo to come and meet us there. Let us go.
Oh no. I don't want anything to happen to me.
If this is how you behave like a vegetarian, I will drop you.
That's what serves him right. He should count himself that Tochi's brother is dead.
Nem, I finished him today. Good. Trust me now. I gave him the insult of his life.
Nice
one.
But that is not my problem right now. I'm telling you the honest truth. Since I came back from the palace, I have not been myself at all.
Kefeneme, what is going on? Or Maka Clinton?
Hey, Yano now, yes. It's because of him. I am tired. I cannot take this any longer. I am patiently waiting for my father to come back so that I will know their own plans. He cannot be a king. Clinton cannot be the king. What is all this? The only reason why I love Akachi is because I know he's going to be the king. Yes, so. And once he loses the throne, girl, Akachi loses me as well.
Are you being serious?
I am damn serious.
Sister, the food is ready.
I am not hungry.
But why? You've not eaten since morning.
You have not eaten since morning. Maka gini kwana? Why?
No, gini kan na for. What am I eating for? I'm in a very big trouble right now. You are telling me to eat. Kwa? I don't want to eat. No, all the food I have been eating since all these years. What have I achieved? Gini can get it. Gini can return me. Come and eat. I'm not eating. I'm not interested. If you're hungry, go inside and eat.
Sister, why are you talking like this? Our house is not on fire.
I say you should get out from me. Leave here. I'm not hungry. For the making you see.
Nemo, we need to talk because I don't know what is going on. Can you tell me?
Honestly, you are not leaving this house unless you give me my food. Give me the food I demanded. You are not going anywhere. I am not leaving you. I am not leaving. See, you will not go out of this house until you give me the food I demanded. You cannot leave this house until you give me the food I want.
Ajolo, are you with us?
Yes.
You are seeing it now. Tell her to leave me. Oh. Tell her to leave me. Oh. Hey, I'm very stubborn. Oh. Tell her to leave me. My anger is coming back now. My anger is pumping.
No.
It's coming back. Oh.
Don't worry. Let your anger come back. Onoche, your anger should come back. In this house, I am here with you people and I'm not going anywhere. I am your doom. Let me tell you, if you, in your next life, if you hear Tochi. Hey, Onoche, you will run.
Tochi, calm down.
You will run.
Eh? Calm down now. Eh? This is not how you both will undergo this punishment. Eh? Calm down.
Hey, he's the one undergoing the punishment, or not me. He is the one. So please, just tell your brother to give me the food I want.
Hey. People should bear me witness though that I'm a very stubborn person. I will react.
Eh? Don't react.
I will react. Oh.
Biko, don't react.
Hey, Onochi, react. Eh? Onochi, react. I want you to react. Brother, do it. Just do it.
Don't react. See, brother, run away. She's a temptation. Problem. Please avoid her.
You call me temptation?
Yes.
See, in your next life, don't you ever call me that name again. If not, I will give you a dirty slap. Front and back.
Look at this one. Don't try it with me, oh. See, I'm not my brother, oh. Don't try it with me. See, if you try it, I will beat you. You see this your remaining eye? I will punch you and it will
go and beat your mother.
Ajolo.
Go and beat your mother.
Wait for your own problem. When your own problem comes, you beat your own problem. So you enter your own punishment, please.
See, let me tell you, the time for me to take my drugs is here. Please, you should just go and give me my food. Let me eat. See, if I count 1 to 10 and I did not see my food I will run to the palace and I'll go and report you people. See, you people don't even want me to tell you what the queen will do. Remember, you are in the queen's backbone.
Brother, I'm not going to give her food.
I'm counting 1.
Give her food now.
I should give her food.
2.
Okay then. Okay then.
Don't you have money? Give her now.
Please go to my room. On the bed there, you see the trouser I keep there. Search the trouser, you see money there. Bring money for her, please. Go and get her something she wants.
But don't try whatever your life.
Go. Don't try her.
Go and tell your mother.
Leave me now. Leave me.
Call my mother again.
Don't call my mother. Don't call my mother. Don't call my mother. I will block the other eye.
Go to the grave. You should go and beat your mother.
I'll block the other eye. I'll block the other eye.
Thank God she's there.
I'll block the other eye.
Go to the grave.
I'll leave my clothes.
3.
Leave my clothes.
4.
Leave my clothes now. You shall go to bring money for you.
5. I am not leaving you till you bring the money. I'm not going anywhere. You'll be here till you bring the money.
Babe, this is a nice suggestion. I'm telling you.
This suggestion is the nice one.
I'm telling you.
My dear, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes very well. This life that you are seeing is very hard. Can you try joining the life in hardship? Don't try it. After all, you owe nobody. If I were in your shoes, hey,
chai. This is why I call you my right-hand friend. Thank you very much. This is good. I will do exactly as you have just said right now.
You have to.
But you see the way Akachi is going with all those things. He's going to lose this war. Yes, the way I'm seeing it, he's going to lose this war.
He is losing already.
And I don't want to cry at the end of this whole thing.
Cry?
Yes, so I told me back or cha. The next thing Akachi will come and tell me, baby, try and understand. I understand. I don't want to understand anything.
People understanding girlfriend. So you have nothing to understand. Focus. Focus. My dear, this is your opportunity. Grab it. Chikonya, Jidia. No let them go.
I will shine my eyes.
Shine it.
I will sit up. I will not even allow Miriam.
I trust you. See Akachi. Please Akachi.
Can you imagine?
What am I going to do now? What is my mother and brother up to? Why are they so against me finding out what happened to the king? I know my mother. She has the heart of a lion. I can't trust this woman again. But I don't even have any evidence against them. So I don't need to raise alarm yet. I have to pipe low so that I'll get to the root of this matter.
Hey! Baby sis, you're here.
Yes, how are you doing?
I'm fine. You don't look bright. Is that the problem?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. How about the elders?
Oh, they're gone. Baby sis, I'm your brother. You're my sister. I mean, my favorite. Whatever worries you, right? Let me know. I will always stand by you anytime, any day.
Thank you.
Yes, I want us all to live in peace in this palace. But then, your mother and your brother, they seem not to be happy I'm back.
No, don't say that, no. Everyone is happy, they are happy. But they've just been busy with, one or two.
It's okay. No problem. But tell them that I mean well for them. Right? When they come back, we're going to talk. Talk about a whole lot of things.
That's good.
Right? Good. It's alright. I'll just go inside and unpack my things.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So, I'll see you then.
See you.
Okay.
You've seen it. A prince that means well for the kingdom. I just don't know why mom is so stubborn. Like, what is all this? What is all this?
I'm telling you, guy, I will enjoy that girl. That girl is pretty stubborn. I will deal with her. Talk to her. Find a way and talk to her. I know what I'm saying. Want this girl. I'll squeeze her neck. I will deal with this girl. Talk to her. I know why I'm doing this punishment. And she don't want to respect herself. Talk to her.
But why should they behave like that?
I don't know.
Huh? Why should they treat you like this?
I know why I'm doing this. I know that the queen hates me. You see that woman? I know she hates me, but no problem. I know why I'm doing this thing for just one reason. If not, I'm about war. I don't care.
No talk that one. I beg. You know say this woman hates you. And if you no do that punishment where she give you, they go declare you wanted for this village. And you know what you mean. Imagine where everybody for this village, they look for you. That man where you insult that day, go carry one big stick. Imagine that man, they hit you. So all you need to do, Nana, calm down. Do the punishment. If they say make you wash clothes, wash clothes. If they say make you go buy food, do them. If they say make you go to Papa house, go sweep, go do them. Make everything together. But wait till I know like now, why should they add up for your punishment?
Can you imagine?
I bet no verse.
As John Umoji Mbu.
Sorry.
I'm John Umoji. Can you imagine nonsense?
Sorry. Oh.
See, I know why I'm telling you this, If you know anyhow you will talk to her. Because one day, I'll break her neck. Last, I'll run away. I will run away. After somebody could run away, I will run away. I will run away. And I will talk to her.
If you run away, now me they go catch. No.
They'll catch you. Talk to her so that she will maintain.
Don't worry, I go talk to her. Hey.
Nonsense. I be make a John Umoji Nanya. Because I'm keeping quiet too.
Papa, he said this?
Yeah. That means he has money, Papa. Eh? There is trouble, oh. There is a very big trouble.
There is.
Hey!
There is a very big trouble. But don't worry. I have something big. I have another plan. Okay. If worse become worse, we take him out of the way. Eh?
Papa, whatever people are doing, do it fast. Because me, I have my own plans. I don't want to lose at the end.
I cannot lose now.
Because I don't want to do what the ear we hear and shuts down.
No.
I don't want to do it, Papa.
Huh. Sister, don't do anything bad, though. Don't just do anything bad before you burn down this house.
Happy.
My daughter, listen. Like I said before, I have plan B. You cannot lose now. My daughter will never lose. You will never lose.
I will not lose. Oh.
Let me tell you. The plan B is going to favor us. You're not going to lose. we must get something from there. You can't lose anything.
Mwah. Hey, I will not lose. I will never.
No! Ha! I am by the other side. Nka fellow. Piam. Cause Abai.
Nai, are you serious?
I'm telling you. As it stands now, we may lose.
Never. I will not let it happen. You will never lose your position as you know in this community. What we are going to do, we are going to change our plan. If it comes to worst, we will change our position to his own side. Yes.
That is my plan B. But let's be going first. Kaina Ganubi, Kajinaka.
Yes.
But I don't want Ume to think I have left him in our official plan.
I don't even care. He has his own interest. You have your own interest. Face your own first. Let me go and bring food for you.
You are right. This boy, I can see you are ready. Money rules the world. I am with you. Esongrazo.
I don't want to talk to you. If I want to talk to you, I said I don't want to talk to you. You irritate me. Avoid me. You irritate me.
Hey, this is so unfair. We are men, alright? We are meant to talk to each other, understand each other. Why is this so unhealthy? Welcome.
Because you are trying to reap where you did not sow.
Yes, you cannot reap where you did not sow.
I don't understand what is going on here.
How do we explain this? I've been here with Father. I stood by him. I've been learning how to rule our people. All of a sudden, you came back from America and want to reap where you did not sow? No, it won't happen.
What the hell is going on here, for God's sake? The throne is my inheritance. Mother.
Who is your mother?
Why are you guys saying this?
You dare not call me mother next time.
Did you just call us guys? This is an insult on royalty. This is my problem with you. Listen, you cannot come back from nowhere and take what rightfully belongs to me.
Akash, can you just stop it? Are you okay?
What are you doing here?
What do you
want to do? Condemn your eyeball.
This is unfair. This is so unfair. He's trying to bring peace here. Stop it.
Can you stop this? What do you want to do? You want to hit a woman? Are you okay?
She's my sister. I can choose to slap her 10 times a day.
She's my sister too. Calm down. What is this?
You will never become king. Read my lips. You will never become king.
Period. Baby, now listen to me. I am warning you. Know your boundary. Do not cross it. No! And you. Ruth. Bachelor.
I came here for peace. Not for anything. I want peace to reign here.
Who are you to bring peace? Clearly you do not belong here. Read my lips. Go back to wherever you are coming from.
You must be joking, because this is where I belong. Here.
Can you just come back from nowhere to come and start dragging the throne with my son? Ruth, I don't want to see you here. Get out. Get out! Ruth, I said get out.
Okay. Huh? Nine. Please. Please, just allow him first. We'll settle this in here, please. Be cool now. Please.
Let me ask you. Where was he when the queen decreed that he should take property of my daughter? And what is he doing now? How am I to open the seed here like this?
Ichie, see what you are doing to me.
Yes.
You are insulting me in my own house. I don't know what I cannot no. This is my own house. You are insulting me like this because I'm an elderly person. Ichie, one day I will grow old. I have white beard, so.
Okay. Ihe ichi me na ka for. Okay. Are you with us?
Papa, don't leave him, oh. Don't leave him. Because I'm going to the palace to go and invite the Lolo and the guy.
Toti, please don't go. Please, let us stay here and settle this thing. It's not now. Please wait. Nah, just wait. He will do everything you want. Please.
Yes. So if you want me not to go, just tell him to do as the queen instructed.
No problem.
Okwabu.
Okay.
Cham.
In fact, I'm coming.
Go and come. Ichie. This is not fair. This is not fair.
What is fair and what is not fair? What you are doing to my daughter, was it fair?
Ichie, anya ju ebukwago. Boom. Anya ju ebukwago. Okay. Anya ju ebuku.
Wa me ya bi ka anya ju go.
Ichie amasi ni I see no. Ichie na mo kwisi. Ichie, cool down.
Here. Wash them.
Olu no me. Wash.
Ichie,
wash.
I should watch woman clothes.
Exactly.
Are you with us?
No, why you dey beat me, no Nabi? When you were beating me, you don't know Abi? Watch it. Echi fun wa ki ti kwa ya duka.
Ngba, borie.
Echi fun wa ki ti kwa ya duka. You've not seen anything yet.
It's not even saying.
Please, hold this thing.
Nah, hold it.
You cannot hold it for me.
Mbalo, how can I hold pants for you? Let me go and bring bucket for you.
Let me
go and bring bucket.
Yes.
Babe.
Baby, what is it?
I'm not
Why are
happy.
you rushing to like an Agberu man?
It's me and Clinton today. Meanwhile, I'm coming to see you and your father.
My God, baby. Baby, when will you realize that you are a prince? Seriously, I don't like how you behave. When Clinton sees you, the way you behave, you have leverage over you, he will not be happy. What has come over you? You're walking so careless.
Tell me where it is written how princes should be walking. What's your problem now? I'm being myself. You're saying I don't have packaging. How do you want me to?
I am going to switch parties, oh.
Excuse me?
Yes, you heard me right. I am going to switch parties. Let me tell you, I am tired of telling you how to behave like a prince. I am tired. What is your problem?
You will switch parties?
Yes, I'm going to switch.
Are you that baseless?
You need to compose yourself. You need composure. Look at you walking like an Agberu man.
Show me where it is written on how princes should be walking. What is your problem now? Okay, I've heard you. I will package. I will change my walking step. I will try.
Seriously, I don't like it. Don't you know that when Clinton sees you like this, the way you are behaving, he will be so happy that he have leverage over you, and it's not making sense. You need to pack along way go on, no? Walk like a prince. Walk like a king.
Okay. Let's go.
What kind of human being is this? You need to put yourself together.
Leave my clothes, oh. You're looking for my trouble.
Madam, you are very stupid. You must give me reason why you said my brother is a victim.
Is he not?
You still get mouth.
Leave my clothes, oh.
You still get mouth.
Let me let go.
You still get mouth.
You're looking for my trouble. Leave me,
still get mouth.
Leave me, Leave me,
You still get mouth.
Leave me,
Stop. What is going on?
Mama, see me, See me in sweet trouble.
Okay.
Look at this fool. Because he was trying to insult my sister and the prince, I only told her that what his brother did was wrong. By fighting the prince and injuring Toshi. Did I do wrong?
You think?
Okay.
Give me one reason why this idiot, a fool, will open a dirty mouth and call my brother a he-goat. I run up again.
Is that why you're holding her?
Yes.
Oh, your brother.
What do you mean?
Is your brother not a goat?
What do you mean by that?
Yes.
Oma, I know you're having issue with my brother. That one is none of my business.
You got it right.
Oma, respect yourself. Respect yourself. That is how you go around all this village. Put your mouth into something that doesn't concern you. Oma, respect your old age, oh. Oma, I know I'm keeping quiet for you. As for you, As for you,
are you mad?
Is something wrong with me? Is something wrong with you?
Just like this. Are you mad? There's something wrong with you. You want me to wound you? Foolish girl. Like, go home and tell your brother that I am not going with you people. Like brother, like sister. As for you, come here. As for you, come here.
My daughter is right. Do what she said. If your wife to be say you should package, then start packaging for her.
My in-law to be, packaging demands a lot of things, like cash, cars, you know. She's talking about upgrade in general. I will, okay? I will. I've started by changing the way I work, and I'm expecting money to upgrade other things around me, so I will. But having said that, I would like us to proceed with the marriage procedures. Yes, let's seal up that one.
Yes.
God.
You are right. Let's start. Let's start.
Papa, we have to hold on. No? We have to hold on and see after today's meeting. Yeah. We have to hold on so that we can know the outcome of it. Oh.
Are you doubting my victory?
I'm not. It's just that I don't want anything less than a queen. So I want to make it clear to you. Whatever you are doing, make sure you become the king. Yes, so however you want to achieve it, just make sure you are the head. Because I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do.
Now you're sounding desperate. Relax, I'm in charge.
I'm not sounding desperate. I'm just stating the facts.
It's okay. It's okay. My in-law to be. She's right. You have to fight like a man.
Tell him, Papa.
Because I don't want my daughter to lose. Because if she does, then we know who we gain everything that we have planned. Because I trust you. I know that you will win the fight.
No problem. Like I said, I'm working on all that. It's okay. I will upgrade. And trust me, I will win. I will become the next king.
I trust you.
I've not lost all my life, and I can't start losing now.
I trust you.
You get me a bottle of stout now.
Wow. Sika. Hey. Now we have a good prince.
This is what we call rich prince. See the way he respects us. It's good to be trained abroad though. It's good.
You better mind what you say. Better mind what you say, because my hand and my leg, dey. If your hand no dey, make your leg dey. Okay. What do you mean? As if you're not happy the prince is here to save us from suffering.
I wonder. If Prince Clinton later becomes the king, he might even save us from all this suffering. Who no like better thing? Abi, you like how we are suffering in this palace? He might even increase our salary from 8,000 to 25,000.
25,000?
Yes.
Okay. This girl is just so annoying. See, my own is, I cannot wait for him to be king. See, I pray Akachi does not succeed. If not, we will all suffer. You see this your eye to go inside.
You know what? I'm out of here.
Go,
bet me. No, people should bet me. By the time Queen comes back, I must tell her everything people have been saying.
Get out.
Go and tell her. Go and tell her.
This girl is
I'm a bomb maiden.
This girl is
pure winch.
Enemy of progress.
Oh no, this is the 20,000 naira. The money I was owing you. Take.
Nzakonobi, I thought we have agreed for you to forget about this money. Why are you worrying yourself over it?
Agreed? You have worried me so much about this money. But thank God though, the prince came back and gave us some money. I can comfortably give you this money now. Oya, take.
Nze, why are you behaving like woman? I told you to forget about this money. You didn't kill them, make a man.
You take this money.
Nah, this is money you are rejecting. No,
take your money. Take your money. Everybody should be on his lane. Day your day. Let me day my day. Let everybody know his boundary. And I'm...
No.
What is it?
Look at this goat that I'm trying to help. It's not your fault. I ask you to forget about the money so that I can bring him over to my side and use him. Nonsense.
It's obvious he stands with the prince. Now, you have to find a solution to solve this problem. If not, we are going to lose your position as no. And it's because of your position that I married you.
It's again. What did you say? You marry me because I'm no.
How can a beautiful woman like me marry an ugly man, black man with children?
Is it not better to lose the position to a young girl than to keep an old woman like you?
I feel cool.
Kobia Miss You got some work.
I feel cool.
Mba.
So I can. Okay. You are rejecting the money, Abi? You are rejecting it, Abi?
Instead of me to lose the position here, man, something must happen. Now to Lego. Reject
it now.
Tochi, you see this, my friend? Yeah? Do anything you do, make him suffer. Somebody cannot blind you like this and go scot-free. Don't allow him. If you have more pants, more dirty clothes, bra, everything inside, bring it, let him wash.
Don't worry. I'll make him suffer.
Yes.
Tomorrow, if you see any girl again, you won't beat that person. He's very, very wicked.
Woman beater. I was telling him. I told him the way he's treating you.
I know.
But see it now.
I know.
He doesn't love you.
I know.
I know. So make him suffer. He needs to pay for his crime.
You think he has money that he can do anyhow?
Does he have money?
Nothing. He did not even have anything.
Sometimes I'm the one borrowing him.
Hey, you see? I know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's just that. You know me. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. My friend, you see my friend Onochi. Just take it easy with him. This Onochi is really trying.
I don't get what are you saying?
You need to understand now. It's not everything that's on. But you see me. You need to start seeing me. You're looking at me now. Looking at me.
The way I'm seeing you, it's as if you like me.
I love you.
Are you serious?
Yes, now.
With my eyes like this.
With your one eye, I will adore you. I swear.
I don't... Honestly, I'm still in pain. You need to give me a little chance. Let me...
I will give you a chance, but you need to give hope to it. Me, I will adore you. I will love you with your one eye. Don't mind this boy. I used to beat woman. God forbid me beat a woman. He's a woman beater. If you still give him chance, he will blind you.
I know. He's very, very wicked.
Let him suffer. Then me and you, you will enjoy it. Yes, now. I will love you.
Don't worry. I will try. I will.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That boy. No. I don't support you. Look at fine girl like you. This guy will be beating you. Sometimes I will tell him, if you don't love this girl, let her go.
What is going on here?
You don't have eyes? Are you suffering from river blindness?
Brother?
You have seen it now. You have seen it too. See me now. You see me now washing pants.
Brother?
Washing woman pants.
Better wash it.
Because I'm keeping quiet too.
Whose clothes are you washing?
It's a whose pant?
Okay. Whose pant? Whose pant are you washing?
You've seen it now. Because I'm keeping quiet now.
Please wash it.
Like make noise. And you see what you did to yourself.
Papa, just look at he's washing my pants. Papa, look at what he's doing.
Don't worry, let him be me. What can be doing here?
Iche, wash my pants very well. This is not fair.
This is not fair.
How can you ask a full grown-up man to be washing pants? Where were you when a full grown-up man blinded my eye? Tell me, where were you? Where were you? Tell me. Toxic family.
Are you not aware that he is carrying out the queen's instruction? Oh, maybe both of you connive to kill my daughter. Up here?
Yes, Ichie.
Eh?
Nobody is killing anybody here.
Eh.
Moreover, this your daughter.
Eh.
This your daughter.
Eh.
She's very stubborn. Ochaka Omaka again, she's very, very stubborn.
Yes, stubborn.
You are very stubborn. Hey, see, it's your mother that was stubborn. Don't even ever call me that name again.
What?
For your life. For your full life. No call my ma. For your full life. See, I'm the full life. For your full life, no call my ma. You dey crazy. So if I call your mama, I will beat you. I will blind your second eye. You're blind. Blind it.
Don't dare do that.
No, blind it.
Don't
Papa.
lay your
Papa,
dirty
leave
hands
her.
on
Let
her.
her blind
Otherwise,
my
I will
eye.
use this to knock her.
Blind my eye.
Ichie, everybody cool school this thing. This thing not good now. Why would she call my mother? Don't dare call my dead mother again. What's all this thing? There's no way you talk this thing. I will stop watching this clothes and nothing will happen. I will stop watching it and nothing will happen.
Papa,
I'm keeping quiet since.
killed their mother. Yeah, are you okay? Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you mad? Are you okay? Are you okay? Touch me now.
Ichie.
Touch me.
I will react.
Touch me. You are still talking.
In fact, Ichie.
You are still talking.
You see this clothes? I'm not washing it.
Don't wash it again. Anything that want to happen,
Let it
wash
happen.
my clothes.
Let it
You will
happen.
not wash it again.
Call my mother again.
Papa,
For your
he's
own
not washing
good,
it.
oh.
I'm mad again.
She will not be there. Oh. She
You are
will
not
not be
washing the
there. Oh.
Papa, I should go.
Go.
Go and report. No, now.
Uh-huh.
Sakwaya of my saimi with a baby about your conyon na di sapia sapo. Sapoya sapo no stay.
Okay, start washing this.
Yes,
See how a woman's pant is made like a big round.
very bad. Wash it very well.
Woman that I
Wash here, see here, wash it. Fine girl
woman
with
that I'm going to
plenty
sleep.
pussy. Yes,
Don't mind her.
wash it. Wash it very well. Wash it, oh. See in this house, I will deal with you. Brother, brother, I will not live in this house with this nonsense human being, this girl. I will not tolerate this nonsense. So this are bad character. I will kill her before her time.
Don't kill her.
I'm telling you that I will kill her before her time. Angelo, it's not possible. She has to go. See, yeah.
Galadima.
I don't have problem with you. If you want fly to heaven. Don't even come back to this place again. As for you, no leave, no transfer. Me and you, I boost on our village. Well, we're not going anywhere. Because wash my pants. See all this place. Where you were beating me, you don't know. See this place now. Here.
Did I beat you in your pants?
Watch out. Wash
Did
it
I
very
beat
well.
your pants?
See, I cannot see.
Okay. Did
I
I beat your
cannot see
pants?
with my eyes.
Okay, go ahead. Just go ahead.
You, my elders, are so welcome. But don't worry. I am going to make sure that every one of you, this kingdom, is happy. I will rule you all so well with positive impact. I mean, just like my father, the late king, did before his demise.
My friends, thank God you came back. I want to assure you that nothing can stop you from ascending the throne.
My friends, don't worry. As for the prediction, we'll teach you all you need to know.
Thank you. Oh, here comes my brother and his beautiful girlfriend. Brenda, right?
Yeah, Brenda.
Okay, Brenda, come and join us and celebrate. My car just arrived, so I'm celebrating. Come sit.
Oh, nice.
Stop disgracing me. So you've not seen red wine before?
Baby,
If only about red wine.
Stop now, let's be polite to him, please.
It's not sounding bad.
Alele.
My brother, please take it easy. Alright, take it easy. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Once you're done with my brother, come back, I will give you 200,000.
Yes, my
Madam,
prince.
go in.
What is it? Why are you so harsh?
Onyoma, see why. Onyoma, see why.
I'm only trying to, share love.
Hey, share love. Father Christmas, be careful. Be careful.
My prince, that girl would have made a good, but she is in the wrong hands.
Exactly.
Did I say anything wrong?
Nothing, my prince.
You're not collecting a dime from that idiot and that's some period.
You are joking, no? You don't even know what you're saying. I should not collect what? Have you ever given me money in your life before? No, have you ever given me such amount in your life before? Do you even know what that money would do for me?
Do you know that you are already cheating on me with my brother? Do you know? You are flirting with him. I saw the way you were smiling because you've never seen red wine before. He promised you 200,000. All of a sudden, he now just said,
unless you want him to take me away from you. What is your problem? Didn't you hear what he said? That he wants to appreciate his brother's woman.
That's again, you
just think responsibly. Why are you thinking like an Agbero man? What is your problem?
Is he Father Christmas? Is he Father Christmas? Why is he trying to entice you with money? And you are falling for it. I can see you have already fallen for him.
Akachi, you don't have packaging in you.
You have fallen for him now.
What is all this?
What is it? What's going on here? Brenda, what is it?
Is he not your brother? Is he not your brother? What is all this? Can you imagine, we came here, we met your brother outside drinking. He offered us a drink instead of him to say, oh, I'm not drinking, I'm not interested. He started shouting, yelling outside. Your brother even offered to give me 200,000 naira. He asked me to refuse the money for what? I will do no such thing. Has he ever in his life dashed me even 20,000 naira? He has never.
You needed to see how this.
Please, I'm out of here. I'm not in for this.
Because she saw my brother.
Can you imagine?
You needed to see how this idiot was behaving because they promised her 200,000. She was smiling like an idiot.
Even though you're not yet his wife, you have the right.
I wonder.
Wait, left. My phone. Give me your account number. I mean, put it here.
My prince.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, here, my prince. Thank you very much. God bless you, my prince.
Set.
Let me check. Oh my goodness. My prince. Hey, thank you very much, my prince. Thank you. Hey, my God will bless you. Oh, Dikeh. Hey, thank you, my prince. Oh my God, this is you.
Kachi, why are you so bitter? What is it? What is the problem? You're too bitter. Excuse me.
Oh, give the bitter. Mom, this girl is crazy.
What is going on outside here?
I don't know. That idiot that calls himself my brother wants my girl.
Huh?
He is enticing her with money. All of a sudden he's offering wine, promising 200,000 naira. What? I will kill him, oh. I will kill him. He should avoid my girl.
You mean painting?
Yes, now.
And brother is falling for it?
Yes. Maybe money no now. Okay. Thank God, my that poison.
Joy. How are you?
I'm fine. Mama.
Where is your sister?
She went to the palace. She's not around, yeah.
Hi. Do I still wait for her?
There you come. Oh, here she comes. Where's Papa? Papa went to see alone. From there they'll go to the palace.
Hey, I'm so happy today.
Someone is happy.
I am happy, oh yes, oh. Hey, baby, it has happened. I'm telling you the honest truth. Hey, can you imagine that I followed that stupid Akachi to the palace? And the Prince Clinton, gave me 200,000 naira.
What?
Yes, oh.
It's a lie.
To appreciate me.
It's a lie.
To appreciate this beauty.
It's a lie.
Also, it's a lie.
It's a lie.
Wait.
Sister.
I go lie for you. No, Oma, I go lie for you. Hey, Kiliwe, oh, what thousand. Hey,
this guy is in money.
You can say that again.
Ojiego.
Oji, badego. Oji, too much money. Yeah. Can you imagine that? Akachi,
Hey, Akachi was telling me to refuse the money. Telling me to refuse the money, oh. Can you imagine? He even wanted to slap me.
What? And why would Akachi refuse you from taking such amounts of money?
You are making sense today.
You're making sense.
Can you imagine? Hey! You know, I told you that I regret ever accepting Akachi in my life. Hey. But you see today, Okwifro today, it has ended. Bam. Oh, and they go. Hey. I told him, as for Prince Clinton, he will be the one to marry me. Oh yes, he will be the one to marry your sister. Chakam. Chakam. Oh, Chakam now.
You always make the right choice.
You can say that
all
again.
the time.
You can say that again. You know why I love you? You're a good friend. You always support me.
Always.
You always support me. Oh.
You carry I go market.
You can say that again. I love good taste. I love, you know where my hand is right now. And I'm not gonna lie.
Catch it. Answer the question.
That's an insult on my person now. Okay, let me answer it for formality's sake.
Teach him.
The person that will crown me is called Akatampo, the Kingmaker. Akatampo is the name. It's like I got the king. He knows nothing about it. He who the cows feed should wear it.
Of course.
You can come back from California, baby, and now Igwe Clinton and Igwe. Igwe Clinton, have Oyibo.
Then what people? Igwe Clinton of Obelago. Mbano, Adabaro.
No, that will not happen. Yes, I will take this matter to the Council of Kings in the state. The government must hear this.
Don't worry.
Get up and leave this.
Come on. Get to this place. Hey, come here, I'm talking rubbish.
Give my two cents. I'm here.
You won't go like that.
You're not doing anything here.
Get out of this place.
I should say.
Get out.
Oh yeah, follow your leader.
Follow.
Whatever I buy.
Follow.